Good afternoon, Miami. This is Mayor Francis Suarez. I just want to update you on where we are and what we plan to do over the next few weeks. These have been challenging days for all of us. First and foremost, because our health is at risk, but also because our jobs, our families, and our communities have been disrupted by this virus. The well-being of our residents has been, and still is, our #1 priority. This is why we were one of the first cities to issue a stay-at-home order and later a curfew. We have been severely hit by this virus, but thanks to our amazing first responders, we have been there for Miamians. We were the first government to provide in-home testing for residents of all ages, and we set up drive-through testing sites. Now we are the first city to have transitioned from symptomatic testing to asymptomatic testing for those in a vulnerable population. These efforts have been made to assure that we have an accurate number of how many people have been infected with the virus, so our response can be more effective. The city came up with several plans to make sure that food is not an issue for anyone living in Miami. We allocated $2 million to Feed Miami. A full $1 million is designated for our senior citizens and people stuck at home. Another $1 million is designated for active and able-bodied residents. You have probably seen the images. Our farm share events have been an absolute success. For example, just this morning we provided 1,000 meals in Wynwood. I want to especially thank our commissioners who have been instrumental in supporting these programs. I also want to share with you that I have committed to match the commissioners' allocations with my own share of the budget for these purposes. However, we are well aware that food is not the only concern you have right now. In the upcoming days, we are going to announce several programs designed to help small businesses, people having trouble paying rent, and those who cannot afford utilities. For those seeking jobs, the City of Miami's Opportunity Center is currently accepting resumes. Despite the impact of the COVID-19 crisis, many local companies are actively hiring. The city, in its partnership with different agencies, is also offering webinars to help those looking for business opportunities. And if you haven't submitted your taxes yet, and you need to do so in order to receive the federal stimulus funds, we're offering free assistance. I want you to be confident that as a city, we're working tirelessly to help you navigate these turbulent times. But also, we are developing a plan to recover once the COVID-19 crisis is over. Data from the last 2 days gives us reason to be optimistic, with fewer people contracting the virus. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, but that doesn't mean we're ready to let down our guard. Now more than ever, we need to respect social distancing and abide by the rules of the new normal until we contain this invisible enemy. Know that your mayor, the commissioners, and the administration at the City of Miami are here to support all our residents, and we will be here as our city reopens and attempts to return to normalcy. Until then, let's all do our part. See you again soon.